I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain. Okay, so today is November 19 and I'm here in SM General Santos City, SM City General Santos pala, for the Wicked movie. Wicked for Good, no? So this is the Wicked Part 2, aka Wicked Part 2. And for today, I'm Fiero. Hinihintay ko ngayon ang aking Elphaba. Nasaan ba si Elphaba today? I don't know where she is, but baka nasa broomstick pa siya nag-ano. Pero outfit check muna tayo, guys. So this is the DIY Fiero um, for Wicked for Good. So here we are doing some awkward poses dahil wala masyadong tao, wala din ang papapicture. Pero we'll be repeating this again on Saturday since meron silang block screening dito. And today is not it. Okay? So, weekday siya. Okay. So, dito na lang muna tayo. Posing muna tayo dito. So, this is the Fiero outfit for today. Kita-kita nyo naman ako. Sige. Yeah. Yeah. Yan. Yan. Ganon. Tingnan natin kung pupunta ang ating Elphaba. Kasi si Glinda ay na-injure. Na-injure ang ating Glinda for today. So, wala tayong kasama na, na pinky. Oo, naka-green din ako. So, wala tayong pink something. Ito lang, siguro the lights. So, pa-vlog na ako kasi awkward na. May mga tao dito sa cinema, pero mukhang lang sila, namamahinga lang sila dito. Wala pa silang masyadong ganap. So, actually guys, just to give you a quick tour sa aking damit. So I just bought long sleeve na green, emerald green long sleeves. May mga tao dito na naglalakad. Yan. Mag-say hi sila. Ay, wala pala. Dito sila nag-say hi. Ako lang pala dito ang nakakakita sa aking sarili. Okay. So, I bought the green long sleeves 3 days ago. And then, ito naman, meron akong, actually, this is another damit, no? This is my vest noon nung nag-wizard ako. Nilagyan ko na lang ng glittery Christmas ribbons. Actually to. Kinat ko na lang siya to fit the Fiero suit na gold-ish. And then itong sash and my belt is the same material. The department store, textile section. So ayan. And then meron akong actually hindi ito sword ni Fiero kasi it should be green and para tuloy akong Bonifacio. And then the ano tawag dito, basta yun na lang sa shoulder something. Anong tawag dito? I forgot. Yan. Nabili ko lang din sa online store. And then this one is duct tape na yellow. So ginamit ko siya bilang bar and bar pati dito. Ayan. Ito kanina ko lang din ginawa. Just to have. And then the Fiero palatandaan niya sa likod, yung mark niya na sa kanyang suot. Kita ba? Hindi pala. Diba? And then, I also bought some boots with me. Yan. So, we can kick like the Emerald City soldier. So, hihintayin ko lang kung meron tayong makikita or i-interview na mga guest siguro dito. Guest talaga. Wala namang red carpet kasi. So maybe interview tayo ng mga fans ng Wicked if may fans dito mamaya, no? We'll be asking sa mga nanood na kung anong favorite part nila, anong nagustuhan nila sa Wicked, or if they are a long time Wicked fan, anong favorite part of the movie or song siguro na lang na nagustuhan nila, no? Na in-adapt from stage to film. So, I'll see you later. Okay? I'll see you later. Bye. I don't unravel any riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain. With my thoughts, I'd be thinking I could be an Arthur Lincoln if I only had a brain. Oh, I could tell you why the ocean's near the shore. I could think of things I never thought before, and then I'd sit and think some more. I would not be just a muffin My head was full of stuff and my heart's so full of pain. And perhaps I'd be with you and be even worthy of you if I only had a brain.